Thank you for joining us for another hands-on closer look with Esperlux. If you haven't done so already, give us a subscribe to keep up with the latest videos on our YouTube channel. Dating back nearly 125 years, Angelus is one of the most underrated horological manufacturers of the last century, with creations like the Chronodato and Chronodato Lux, as well as other calibers commissioned for well-known brands like the Angelus 240 8-day, the Panerai 203. After several years of developing the next generation of Angelus timepieces at its manufacturer in La Chaux-de-Fonds, the revamped Angelus under its new parent company, La Joux-Perret, carries on the tradition of avant-garde watchmaking with its urban collection of incredible tourbillon timepieces. Today we present you the Angelus U41, the upgraded successor to the flagship model, the U40 Racing Tourbillon Skeleton. The challenge in creating an ultra-lightweight timepiece is maintaining the sturdiness of the movement. Angelus created the U41 caliber with minimalism in design, yet capable of withstanding considerable shock without breakage. In sandwiching and suspending all the gears and components between two sets of ADLC treated bridges, Angelus achieves its targeted compromise between flexibility and rigidity. Powered by caliber A300, the U41 features a 1-minute flying tourbillon and 60 hours of reserve, shown by its exposed spring barrel at 12 o'clock. Housing caliber A300 is the U41's titanium grade 5 case and fitted with an updated notched bezel design, providing for an edgy, sportier look. The U41 is available in two versions, an orange accents variation with orange rubber strap, and a blue example, illuminated by flashes of yellow on the minute's hand and minute circle, with white superluminova coating the hours and minutes hand, delivered on a blue rubber strap. As for wearability, the U41 is a joy to strap on as it follows up on its predecessor's ergonomics and easily competes with the most comfortable of watches. Inspired by its pioneering past and prioritizing cutting-edge technology and comfort, the U41 punches well above its weight and price point for a sporty tourbillon. The technical details. U41 is powered by caliber A300, a hand-wound mechanical movement. Features a 1-minute flying tourbillon. It has a power reserve of 60 hours and beats at a frequency of 28,800 vibrations per hour. The main plate and bridges are chamfered, polished, and treated with black ADLC. The wheels and tourbillon carriage are chamfered and polished. The lower phalanges are anthracite with orange or yellow minute circle. The upper phalange is orange or blue with hour indicator treated with superluminova. The hands are orange or blue and yellow, also treated with white superluminova. The case is crafted from grade 5 titanium. It measures diameter of 42 millimeters and 10 millimeters in thickness. The water resistance is 30 meters. The crystal sapphire is an anti-reflective inside and out. Timepiece is delivered on an orange, blue, or black rubber strap with pin buckle in grade 5 titanium. For more information on the Angelus U41 Tourbillon, please visit esperlux.com and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for all new upcoming videos.